Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. A bit of a haircut, barely recognize me. I know, it's kind of crazy. It's June 26th. We're coming into the end of the quarter. We are up 3% on the quarter. We're up 16% for the year. Coming into the end of it, a big Russell rebalance. This market trading right off record highs. We're sort of trading in a limbo situation. We've got the G20 on the table. We've got an announcement whether the Fed is going to lower rates a quarter or half a point. Coming into July, we've got the end of the quarter, a Russell rebalance, and whatever's coming out of Washington. All these things really are meaningless. We've got a market that's really not clear to do. I think the main things that we're going to affect the market to inch its way higher or to sell off at all, which it really doesn't feel like it's going to do, is the trade deal with China. So let's just chat about the lowering of interest rates. As counterintuitive as I've discussed that it makes sense to be, as it is a bullet to fuel and raise the economy when it is in a weak, fragile, anxious position, which we are clearly not, is the fact that if the administration feels that they've got the Fed behind them on lowering rates, that the president may play a bit of a harder game with China when he goes to the G20 to meet President Xi. All that being said, that's kind of the only place we're going to go from here. So are we a tweet away from an up or down 1,000 point? Yes, we never know what's really going on. Are all the other things causing anxiety in the marketplace off the table for the time being, and the negative and all the narrative seems sort of, cautious and pausing and fine and good and solid? Yes. Is the China deal something that can cause a fracturing in the marketplace? Absolutely. Is the fact that it seems clear that the lowering of interest rates is on the table for July? Yes. Is that going to be fuel on the fire keeping this market where it is? For sure. Is there still underinvestment in this marketplace? Absolutely. Are people hopping on board and putting money to work? For sure. Are we going to see some profit taking coming into the end of June? It's possible. Is there a big rebalancing in the Russell? Yes. All that being said, with a lowering of interest rates on the table and a sort of a cautious pattern going forward on the China deal, this market seems solid and strong. All that being said, am I an investor in the marketplace? No. Am I a trader in the marketplace? Yes. Do I feel confident the market may go higher? It feels that way, but that could dislocate on any levels.
Understood.
We are living in a fragile, anxious, potentially crazy and wild marketplace. But all that being said, the market's trading on its highs. And that's all I have to say about that. I can't really read that much into it. Coming in, we've got the best June on record since 1955, right? We've got interest rates being lowered, not raised. We have a market trading right off the record highs of perhaps 1% off the record highs. So all that being said, it seems okay. It seems solid. I'm done for the day. I'm kind of burnt. It's 5 o'clock here in New York City. It is the Einstein of Wall Street inside Vershoff. I love you all. We'll take it up again tomorrow. I'll see you soon.